Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids class name: yellow color, green color, blue color, red color, yellow ochre color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids again use yellow color and draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use green color. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use blue color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, and use red color. M. M for moon. Kids again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids again use yellow color and draw P. P for parrot. Kids Q. Q for queen. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids now draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use black color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for wolf. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray. Kids again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.